Namaste. Welcome to the 9th episode of Stamp Tourism. First of all, a big thanks to all of you for the support you have given for the last Stamp Tourism video on Delhi. It was a 20-minute video, but it has got a good average watch time, and thank you all for the support. Last week, I got a call from one of the viewers of Stamp Tourism from Jaipur named Ajay Babu, and he has shared some of the beautiful stamps of the feudatory state of Jaipur. The link to those stamps will be added in the description of this video. So please do like and comment under the video your valuable feedback about stamp tourism and promote this video with your friends and families. So let's go to the 9th episode of Stamp Tourism, and this episode is about Dal Lake in Srinagar. This video covers some of the beautiful videos of Dal Lake, houseboats in Dal Lake and a shikara ride which we have taken during our trip to Srinagar in 2018. And then we will explain in detail about the stamps of Dal Lake. Known as the jewel in the crown of Kashmir and Srinagar's jewel, Dal Lake is the most important landmark of Srinagar. The word Dal Lake is a misnomer, as Dal in Kashmiri means lake. The lake covers an area of 18 square kilometers and is part of a natural wetland which covers 21 square kilometers, which includes floating gardens. The floating gardens is known as Rad in Kashmiri, and the floating gardens are also known for the lotus flower that blooms during the month of July and August. The beauty of Dal Lake has attracted many filmmakers, and over 20 films have been shot in and around the famous water body. Scenic views of the lake can be witnessed from the shoreline Mughal gardens such as Shalimar Bagh and Nishad Bagh, built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. This is a view of Dal Lake from the top, taken during our visit to Shankaracharya temple located on top of the Shankaracharya hill on the suburban ranges in Srinagar. A shikara ride on Dal Lake in Kashmir is a thrilling experience and a fun adventure for anyone. A unique shikara ride on Dal Lake in Kashmir is not complete without a shopping experience. The market includes a number of shops located right in the middle of the lake. The shop sells all sort of goods including Kashmir specialties such as wooden artifacts, handmade earrings, carpet, Kashmiri handicraft, saffron and shawls. The houseboats are closely associated with Dal Lake, which provide accommodation to tourists in Srinagar. The houseboats are generally made from local cedar wood with intricately carved wood paneling. The houseboats are of different sizes. Some even have 3 bedrooms, living room and kitchen. We will be greeted by the houseboat owners by the special Kashmiri kawa. Staying on a houseboat provides a unique experience. Houseboats vary in degree of luxury and have been accordingly graded by the Department of Tourism. Dal Lake is also famous for the first floating post office. It is the one and only floating post office in India and maybe the only one in the world too. Besides offering normal postal services, this place also has a philately museum and a shop that will sell postage stamps and other products. I was not knowing about this floating post office before my trip, but my camera has beautifully captured this post office located in Dal Lake. So next time when you visit Srinagar, make sure you send postcards to your near and dear ones from the only floating post office in the world. I will add some interesting links about the floating post office in the description of this video. Now let's move to the stamps of Dal Lake. The first stamp on Dal Lake was released on 15th March 1967. The stamp has an image of shikara in Dal Lake. The color of the stamp was blue and grey violet. The stamp was printed at the India Security Press in Nasik and has a value of 2 rupees. The second stamp on Dal Lake was released on 23rd January 1978. It was a commemorative postage stamp on the 27th Pacific Asia Travel Association. The 27th conference of PATA was held in New Delhi. PATA was organized in Hawaii in 1951 as a non-profit corporation to stimulate interest in the Pacific and adjoining areas as a vacation land and to develop, promote and facilitate travel to and among the many Pacific destinations. India was an associate member of PATA since 1957 and became a full-fledged active member in 1964. The 15th annual conference in 1966 was also hosted by India. The design of the stamp depicts a tourist couple on Shikara in Dal Lake. The stamp was printed at the India Security Press in Nasik and has a value of 1 rupee. The next stamp tourism video will be about Cellular Jail in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Hope you have enjoyed this stamp tourism video on Dal Lake. Please do like and comment under the video your valuable feedback and do support and promote stamp tourism. Thank you.